Hey there, Millionaire Advice here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for a way to make some serious cash online, then you need to tune in for this one. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made $1,342 in just 7 days using affiliate marketing. That's right, you heard me, over $1,000 in just 1 week. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of affiliate marketing. Also check the description of this video for wealth music and forex signals. If you're new to the world of online marketing, then you might be wondering what affiliate marketing is all about. Well, simply put, affiliate marketing is a type of online business where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale that you make. It's a win-win situation for both the product owner and the affiliate marketer. Now that you understand what affiliate marketing is, let's dive into how I was able to make over $1,000 in just 1 week. First and foremost, I researched and found a product that was in high demand and had a high commission rate. I then created content that was valuable and informative, which included blog posts, social media posts, and videos. I made sure to include my affiliate links in each of these pieces of content, and the sales started rolling in. I also utilized email marketing and created a series of follow-up emails that were sent out to my subscribers. This allowed me to increase my sales even further. Now that you've seen how I was able to make $1,342 in just 7 days using affiliate marketing, I want to share some tips with you to help you achieve success as well. Firstly, it's important to choose a product that you believe in and that you're passionate about. This will help you create valuable content that resonates with your audience. Secondly, make sure to promote your affiliate links in a way that adds value to your audience. Don't just promote for the sake of making a sale, but instead, create content that genuinely helps and educates your audience. So there you have it, guys, my strategy for making over $1,000 in just 7 days using affiliate marketing. I hope this video has been helpful and has given you some ideas on how you can start making money online with affiliate marketing. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.